Hi friends, today we'll discuss how to finish what you start. It's very important. You must finish what you start doing. Jot down your dreams. Be clear what you want to achieve. You may have many desires. Jot down your strongest desires. Be clear what are your goals and objectives. Write down your specific project when you want to start and when you want to start and when you want to finish. Why you want this project? What will be the big 3 achievements on this project and how it can impact your life in future? Once you decide to go ahead, honor your decision. Once you start, never leave it halfway or midway. Your valuable time and efforts will be wasted. You will have to sacrifice a lot of opportunity loss. As by that time, you could have done many other profitable engagements. Decide with utmost care and caution what you want to do, and once it is started, vigorously follow up till it is finished. Have strong willpower to finish your project. Once you finish, celebrate success. May it be a small project, but every celebration transmits positive signals to your brain. Sensation for repeated success is important. Whether those are small or big tasks, it adds strength to you. Break down your project into mini tasks and plan well to finish each task in a specific time. Jot down what are the resources that may be required to finish each specific task. Take action, execute, and always try to avoid procrastination, which delays the projects and often makes it more complicated. What is not done in right time, in the right way with dedication, may turn out to be more than 3 times difficult at later stage. Activities may be linked with one another. If one is delayed, other tasks may suffer and thus may get delayed to start an action and acted upon. So don't delay, don't procrastinate. Be dedicated to complete your tasks in due time. Focus on what you want to achieve, what you want to be, and be dedicated to concentrate all your attention into the same. When you focus, you bring energy into the task. You bring energy at hand and achieve whatever you set in mind. Please, not to make your bundle of unlimited intentions and tasks in the year ahead. Rather, make the year full of successes. Practice mental toughness and enhance your productivity through your mental power. As you need physical power to complete the task, you need mental power also to complete the task. Control external distractions, internal demotivators. This is very important. It's very important to control your internal demotivators. Temptation to switch over other tasks without completing the existing ones. That often happens to many people. Laziness and desire to relax. Giving up habits of showing lame excuses. So exercise self-control to finish what you start each day with specific intention. Be very dedicated and exercise your willpower to the utmost importance. Read good books and get motivated by masters like Mrs. Peter Hall in Damon Jahadidas and many others like Robin Sharma, Brian Tracy. Inculcate many good productive habits and do not depend on simply motivators. Avoid mental traps and prosper daily with small successes. Keep in mind, you must finish what you start. So jot down your dreams, go ahead boldly. And more you achieve successes, more your achievements are piled up, ultimately you will be a successful man and you will finish whatever you start, and it will occur repeatedly. Thank you. Wish you all the best.